Hi guys, it's Charles from Fabertec Group, your home of affordable CNC solutions. Today I wanted to show you a typical day, maybe afternoon, late afternoon, in our units. As some of you know, this is a showroom, but we have so many machines now coming in and constantly being delivered, and so many sales that we have to use showroom to assembly sometimes. So this is FL4 with 12 kilowatt laser source. That's gonna go to the client near Bristol. They're gonna be cutting 20-25 millimeter stainless steel. In here you see our FL3, 1325, M1 ATC, M2 2030. But excuse the mess because, as you probably know, every flat surface in the workshop is always used as a bench. And now we have so many machines delivered that we have to use them as a bench. Oh, you can see in here during the assembly, Bocci 642 laser head. And we're not sparing any pennies. Just this laser head is $13,000, but this has a temperature sensor almost everywhere, pressure sensors. You can set whatever you want, and it's fully controllable from the point of the controller of the computer. So we love them. This M2 2030 nesting machine. So you have a scissor lift with the storage for your jumbo sheets, machine automatically loading them, hoovering the sacrificial board, pushing all of the cutted elements on the conveyor belt so the operator can clean them and the machine is already cutting. So it's literally 1.5 minute operation, machine is cutting, you don't have to hoover it manually. This is being prepared, cleaned, and is going next week to the lovely clients who's gonna do a nice furniture. FL2 6 kilowatt, some of you probably who've been here, you saw that's our demo machine. FL2 demo machine, open bed, and I'm designing now something cheeky, but you're gonna see that in the future. But check our social media, we're gonna have some offer on FL2 machines. Some of our lasers, L1, L2, FL3, the X demo model with slightly different doors. That's going to the existing client in Glasgow. Very lovely chap, Barry, that's going with 2 kilowatt. FL2 1325, that's going with 3 kilowatts. Again, lovely guy, Mike, 65, 66 years old, and still cracking on doing panels, metal panels for the old Land Rover Defender. So you see, there is some good production in UK still. FL3, our little baby, we have to squeeze in. 1390, this is small model, more for very high accuracy cutting, like a jewelry, very good quality elements. So you don't have a mass production when you need to do 150 sheets per day, but more on the quality, prototyping. That's going to Sheffield, but I cannot spill the beans. What they're gonna be doing, it's a little bit NDA. But yeah, they're very happy with the machine. Next week we're delivering, probably end of next week. As you can see, fully extendable table, so you can load the elements, clean the skeletons, clean the elements, assess everything, what is happening, if the cuts were good, push it back in, close the door, you have a light barriers, so it's fully safe for operators. You cannot cut, you cannot close the door if the light barriers are engaged. So that's very important to us. Watch out gas lines. And yeah, and to be honest, we have to be very quick because in 5-6 days time, the container is coming with the 5 M2s, which are already sold. So sorry, we cannot keep the stock. We're trying, but we don't have a rich uncle, and we have to get as much as we can. But generally, we're trying to get you the stuff in about 2-3 weeks time. And yeah, all of our units, and we don't have a space anymore for the machines. So we're working hard to get the new premises. But yeah, any questions, please give us a shout. Or we have a couple of new models in the pipeline, so observe our social media. And as always, thank you very much for the trust. Charles, Fabertec Group. See ya.